Hello everyone. Welcome back to Digital Marketing Software. In today's video, I will guide you through the process. Send mass messages on Instagram. First, the MKT Insta software. It will help you manage multiple Instagram accounts and use it to go at deployment by sending messages. Step 1, you will scan your data. I will demo here. I will scan all the followers of any account. You just need to copy the username of that account. You add it to the software and save it. Next, you will set up some parts. There are several options you can choose or not choose. It's as if I'm going to set up the stream or the number of accounts I can scan. I'll scan about 100 usernames. After you complete the setup, select your account and click the Start button. Wait a few seconds and the software will return the results. Then, your job will be to copy all the usernames that you just scanned out. Go to Message Management. Select the Send Message section. Please copy all the list of names you have just seen. You paste in the software. You save and finally, you will give yourself some configuration. I have already set up a few configurations here. Your next task will be to select the content that you want to send the message to, that you've already added. Mail it in. Once set up, just press the Start button. The software that will help you is to deploy mass messaging. Go to that data file. You can watch and follow. The software will support you to deploy. How to send automated bulk messages. For MKT Insta software, you can deploy unlimited accounts as well as unlimited number of messages. You can absolutely reach 1 million, 2 million people a day. If you are interested in software, you can contact me directly via Telegram or WhatsApp under the description. Thank you and see you in the next video.